Hey guys, it's Camera 5 in here. Here we have a 1999 Lasko 3733 in the window. This is the one I bought last year at Goodwill for 10 bucks. And yeah, it's kind of dirty. Actually forgot to clean away when I put it away for the winter. Here's high. Medium. And low. And off. Just flip it around. See the back side has a Marco motor, full-size motor. See all the dust on the blades. I'll turn on high, but with me holding it. Medium, low, and off. Let's see if we can get a startup sound. Here's low. We're going to do medium next. After it spins down. Here's medium. And last but not least, high. Last high. So that is my 1999 Lasko 3733 20-inch box fan. Thank you. Comment, like, and subscribe. Bye-bye.